everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to speed up an Instagram reel. For that, what you can do is open up the Instagram app, and if you're posting the reel by yourself, simply head over to your profile, tap on plus, tap on reel. Here you can select your camera option and then start recording the reel. Record a few seconds of the reel, or you can choose a video from your video timeline. Once you have recorded the reel or chosen your video, you can hit next. From here, you can, after you have recorded your reel or you have chosen a reel, then you can hit the speed icon. Here you can select from 0.3x to 4x. Once you've hit 4x, your video will be sped up 4x. You can then hit next and next again, and then you can post your video. However, if you want to speed up a video that you're watching, simply head over to your watch tab, and then you can tap on, and then you can tap and hold on your screen to speed up the video. You can also slide down to lock the 2x speed. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.